Hi there. Today in this session I will discuss about string formatting in Python that allows you to create strings with dynamic content by embedding values into predefined templates. Let's get started. Python offers several ways to format the string. The number one is using the percentile operator. This is the oldest method of formatting strings in Python. Let's say we have name John and we have age 25. When I say I want to format, it is similar to C style formatting. Hello John. So John is a string, so we use %s for the string. You are numbers. So number is a digit that we use in C programming. %t years old. And where in the percentage, the first S represents the name and the second D represents the age. So two percentiles I have used. The first one is for the name that depicts the string and the second one is the digit that depicts the age. Let me save this and run this. Hello John, you are 25 years old. Next comes using the format method. I have a name, I have age. We use the format method. Rather than percentage, we use format and we use curly braces empty where the first curly brace depicts the name and the second one depicts the age. So format method provides more flexibility and is preferred over the percentage operator. Let me run and show it to you. Hello John, you are 25 years old. Next is using fstring, formatted string literal. This is available in Python 3.6 or later only, so make sure you have that version. We have name, we have age. Hello, we directly use name and age variable where it has to be printed. Just one thing to make sure, before starting up the string, you use the keyword f. So f provides a concise and readable way to format the strings by embedding the expressions directly within the string literal. I just show it to you. It prints, hello John, you are 25 years old. So these are the ways that you can use to format the string. And as I discussed, percentage is the old style formatting. Format is the flexible as compared to the percentage because it supports the positional and keyword argument. And fstring is available with the Python 3.6 plus, concise and readable because it supports the embedded expressions. I hope we're going to use this string formatting to print our outputs very frequently in the entire series. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video.